Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It is Mila B, and today I wasn't going to record this set, but my daughter wanted to do like a mommy daughter nail day, so I already posted the video of me doing her nails. I'll make sure I leave it in the cards or over here to the top of my screen. So now I'm going to show you guys of her doing my nails. Now I went ahead and started prepping my nails. So I had already pushed back my cuticles, came through with my cuticle bit, did all of that. And now I'm just roughing up the nails before I get started. So after I did that, I went ahead and wiped off my nails. Whenever I'm doing these jelly tips, I always use acetone because I just feel like it helps the nails stick better. As you can see from my dusty table, I've already prepped the jelly tips. I basically took my drill and went inside of each nail and roughed it up. The drill that I'm using is that new Etna drill from Melody Susie. I'll leave a link for that in my description box, as well as a coupon code. If you click the link, it'll automatically go to your cart whenever you check out. So I like the drill. It's cordless, and no, this video is not sponsored. However, this has become my new favorite drill just because I don't have to have all the cords connected and all of that. So right now I'm coming in with my Kiara Sky Builder Gel in a bottle, and I'm applying a very thin coat to my nails, and I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. So I made this video for all of you who are trying to learn how to do your nails, but you really aren't into acrylic yet. This is a very quick and easy alternative to that. I will link a video that I have where I go in more detail with my prep work in the cards as well. But right now I'm applying a thin coat of that builder gel to my nails, and I'm just going to avoid touching my cuticles and slowly rock it into place. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is where it always gets awkward for me because I never have my light the right direction to easily slide it underneath. But I got this little cheap light from, I believe I got it on Amazon. I'll leave that in the link. I bought one Kiara Sky that I loved, but I'm going to be honest with y'all, I was kind of disappointed because I spent all that money on getting a new lamp from them because I really like their products and I feel like they have quality, but the lamp only lasted me about 3 or 4 uses before it went out. And when I contacted customer service, they were closed due to COVID or new hours, something. So after a while, I just forgot about it. And I ended up buying this lamp. I think this lamp was like $11. I also have 2 of these because one of them came in another kit, but I'll link that as well. So basically, I just apply a thin coat into each nail, and I apply it to my nail, and then I cure it in the lamp. If you do about 15 seconds just to get it in place, and then come through at the end, and then I cure it for like a full 2 minutes when I'm done putting all 10 nails on, just so that way I can make sure everything's properly cured. Another tip I do want to tell you guys, make sure that you don't do like I did. On this hand, they came out pretty good. But when I'm using my non-dominant hand, my ring finger is way tilted to the left. So it's really crooked. So just make sure that before you cure it, that you have your nail as straight as possible. So after I apply all 10 nails, I go ahead and cure each hand for an additional 2 minutes just to make sure that they're secure. And then I come in with the fine side of my hand file, and I basically just clean up around the bottom of the nail just in case anything leaked. I'm going to be honest with y'all, I do not like jelly tips just because of the shape. I love the quickness, but I'm not a big C-curve person. I thought I purchased the ones with no C-curve, but I'm looking at them and I feel like it does have one. So I like the straight nails because I have straight nails. So, get your preference, but make sure you pay attention to that when you're ordering. So I just clean up the sides. It doesn't really need any shaping because they're pretty much already done. And then I just shape the tip to make it real crisp, and then I come around the cuticles. This is a fine bit. I'll actually link this as well, and I just come around the cuticles just to make sure that it's flush with my nail, or if anything seeped over, it just cleans it up. Now, if I was going to leave these clear, I would have skipped this step, but because I am going to apply gel polish, I took a buffer that had just a little bit of a roughness to it, and I just buffed the surface of the nail so that way the gel polish will adhere a little bit better. You can polish directly, but I've noticed that I get a little peeling sometimes if I don't rough the surface just a little bit before I apply my gel polish. When I'm done with all of this, I just take my nail brush and I just brush everything away. I am kind of rough, just trying to get the dust off. When I'm doing acrylic, I'll actually use soap and water, but with these jelly tips, sometimes it gets really weird when you use water, even if you let it dry. So I just leave it alone. So here is my daughter doing my nails, guys. She's really gotten into these nails, and I just, I'm trying to encourage her, whatever it is that she's into. So I did have to come through and clean up, but I think that she did a really good job. She just turned 5. So to me, if she can learn to slow down a little bit, I think these would have came out perfect. But I am proud of her. So y'all see my baby out here working. So I purchased a new gel polish from Amazon. I'll make sure to link that in the description box as well. And I really want to try it out. The blue is honestly not the blue that I wanted. I wanted something more of like that, like a little bit brighter of a blue. I don't know if I'm explaining it. Like how it looks on camera is what I want it to look like in person. And in person it's a little bit darker. So I did just kind of freestyle this design. My daughter decided to do a little freestyle on my ring finger, and then I just kind of cleaned it up and made it into something. So I tried to give her like a baseline for what I was doing and then let her kind of fill it in. So I mean, she did a pretty good job. Like I said, she's 5. So this was, this gel polish, I really like it. If y'all watch my channel and you've seen any of those when I did like the reflective glitter gel, this is one of those same brands that I tried out before. But I really, really, really like this company. It's YTD or something like that. I'll make sure I leave it. I actually like their gel polishes. It's kind of equivalent to me to Madame Glam because you really get away with one coat. As y'all can see, it's very pigmented and it's very affordable. So I just kind of took this nail and I just kind of freestyled. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me work for the rest of the video. I did apply a shiny coat to the 2 nails with the design, and I did the matte to the other nails in the end. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, make sure that you thumbs up my video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.